Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our Arabic class. This is the 10th lesson, Book 2, Durusul Lughatil Arabiyyah. الدرس العاشر lesson 10. ذهب زكريا لزيارة حامد بعد صلاة الفجر. Zakaria went and he paid a visitation to Hamid after the Fajr prayer. ولكنه ما وجده في البيت, but he couldn't meet him at home. فقال لبنه موسى, then he said to his son Musa, أين أبوك, where is your father? Then Musa replied, ذهب إلى السوق, that is, he went to the market. Zakaria said, أيذهب إلى السوق كل يوم, does he go to the market every day? Then Musa said, Naam, yes. يذهب دائما إلى السوق بعد صلاة الفجر. Yes, every day, unfailingly, he goes to the market every day after the Fajr prayer. Then Zakaria said, متى يرجع من السوق, when does he come back from market? Then Musa said, يرجع في الساعة السابعة, that is, he will return from the market 7 o'clock in the morning. أحيانا في الساعة الثامنة, أحيانا في الساعة الثامنة. Sometimes he returned from the market 8 o'clock. ماذا يفعل في البيت, what does he do at home? ماذا يفعل في البيت, what will he be doing at home? Then he said, يقرأ الصحف, he will be reading the newspaper. ويسمع الأخبار من الإذاعة, and he will also listen to the news from the radio. متى يذهب إلى المصنع, when will he be going to work? يذهب في الساعة التاسعة ونصف, he goes to work by 9:30. متى يرجع من هناك, when will he be returning from there? That is, when is he returning from work? يرجع في الساعة الواحدة ونصف, يرجع في الساعة الواحدة ونصف, he will return 1:30. أو الثانية, or 2 o'clock. Zakaria said, أيذهب إلى المصنع مرة أخرى بعد الظهر, does he return to work after Zuhr prayer? La, no. La يذهب بعد الظهر, he doesn't go back to work after Zuhr. يجلس هنا في المكتبة, يجلس هنا في مكتبته بعد صلاة العصر, he will sit here in his library after Asr prayer. Zakaria said, كم عاملا يعمل في مصنعكم, that is, how many workers are there working in your place of work, in your company? Then Musa replied saying, مصنعنا ليس بكبير, that is, our company, our place of work is not a big one. يعمل فيه 125 عاملا, that is, in our company, our place of work has just 125 workers. ومهندسان, and also 2 engineers. Zakaria said, الساعة الآن التاسعة إلا ربع, the time now is 15 minutes to 9. وما رجع أبوك, and your father has not returned, and your father is not back. Then Musa said, لَأَلَّا يَرْجِعُ يَوْمًا مُتَأَخِّرًا, maybe he will be returning home late today. That is, maybe today he will be returning late. لَأَلَّهُ الْيَوْمَ لَأَلَّهُ يَرْجِعُ الْيَوْمَ مُتَأَخِّرًا, maybe today he will be returning home late. Tamarin, exercises. It says, أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية, answer the following questions. لزيارة من ذهب زكريا, to whom did Zakaria paid that visitation? ذهب زكريا لزيارة حامد وما وجده في البيت. That is, Zechariah went and he paid Hamid that visitation, but he couldn't meet him at home. Mata dha'aba, when did he pay that visitation? That is, Ba'da Salat al-Fajr, it is after the Fajr prayer. Then the next one we have Aina Yadha Abu Hamid Ba'da Salat al-Fajr. Where does Hamid goes to after Fajr prayer? So we say Dha'aba Hamid ila suq Ba'da Salat al-Fajr. That is, Hamid went to the that is, Hamid always goes to the market after Fajr prayer. Mata yarji'u min as-suq. When does he comes back from market? That is, he comes back 8 o'clock or 9. So we say yarji'u kulla yawmin min as-suq fi sa'atil thaminan. That is, he returned from the market 8 o'clock. ماذا يفعل في البيت? What does he do at home? ماذا يفعل في البيت? What will he be doing at home when he returns? That is, he will be reading the newspaper and listening to the radio stations. That is, يقرأ الصحف ويسمع الأخبار من الإذاعة. That is, he will be reading the newspapers and also listening to news. متى يذهب إلى المصنع? When does he go to work? That is, when does he go to his place of work every day? كم عاملا يفعل في مصنعه? That is, how many workers works in his place of work? So he has 125 workers. Then the next one we have كم مهندسا يعمل في مصنعه? How many engineers does he has in this place of work? So he has 2 engineers. The next one says Sahih Mayali corrects the following. Hamid bin Musa, that is, Hamid is the son of Musa. Is this correct? No. Musa is the son of Hamid, not Hamid the son of Musa. No, Musa is the son of Hamid. So we say Musa bin Hamidin. That is, Musa is the son of Hamid. So the next one we have Yadhabu Hamid ila suq ayanan. That is, sometimes Hamid goes to the market. So this one is telling us ahyanan. That is, sometimes, and this is not correct. It is kulla yawmin. That is, Yadhabu Hamid ila suq kulla yawmin. That is, Hamid goes to the market every day. So the next one we have Yadhabu Hamid ila al-masna fi sa'ati thamina wa nisf. That is, Hamid goes to the place of work 8:30. So is this correct? It goes to the place of work 9 o'clock. يذهب حامد إلى المصنع بعد صلاة الظهر أيضا. That is, Hamid used to return back to his place of work after the Fajr, after the Zuhr prayer also. Aidan. So this is not correct. Hamid doesn't return to place of work after returning home after the Zuhr prayer. It will be at home. So the next one says يجلس في البيت بعد صلاة العصر. That is, it sits at home after the Asr prayer. Yes, this is correct. Masna Hamidin Kabirun. That is, his place of work, his company is a big one. No, this is not correct. So his place of work is not a big company. تأمل الأمثلة الآتية. That is, study the following examples. Number 1, we have Al-Madi. Then the next one we have Al-Madari. So if we say Al-Madi, that is, we are talking about Fi'l Madi, that is the past tense. When we say Al-Madari, we are talking about present tense. So this number 1, we have Dha'aba Aliyu ila al-madrasati ams. That is, Hamid went to the school yesterday. You can see we say went. We said he went. So Hamid went to the school yesterday. But if we want to talk about present tense, we say يذهب علي إلى المدرسة كل يوم. That is, Hamid goes to school every day. So we say يذهب علي إلى المدرسة كل يوم. That is, Aliyu goes to school every day. Aliyu goes to school every day. So this is a present tense or present participle, present continuous tense. So the next one we have قرأ إسماعيل القرآن. That is, Ismail recited Al-Quran. So this is a past tense. So this is past tense and it is known to be al-madi. When we say qara'a, that is madi, fi'l madi. So the next one we have يقرأ إسماعيل القرآن بعد صلاة الفجر كل يوم. That is, Ismail always recites Al-Quran every day after Fajr prayer. So this يقرأ is known to be fi'l madari'i, that is the present tense. The next one we have غسل الرجل سيارته. That is, the man washed his car. The man washed his car. So this is past tense. That is madin, fi'l madin. This is غسل. غسل is fi'l madi here and is known to be fi'l madi and it is called past tense here. So we say غسل الرجل سيارته. That is, the man washed his car. So he washed the car. So this is past tense. And we have the present tense, which is the mudari'i here. We say يغسل الرجل سيارته كل أسبوع. That is, the man washed his car. That is, the man washes his car every week. The man washes his car every week. يغسل الرجل سيارته كل أسبوع. That is, the man washes his car. So the next one we have تأمل الأمثلة واكتب مضارع الأفعال الآتية. That is, study the examples and write the mudari'i, that is the present tense of the following fi'l, that is of the following verbs. Study the following examples and write the present tense of the following verbs. Kataba, we say yaktubu. Then jalasa, we say yajlusu. We have dhahaba, we have yadhabu. We have sami'a, and we say yasma'u. What will be the fi'l madari'i of dakhala? We say yadkhulu. That is, yadkhulu is the fi'l madari'i of dakhala. We have gasala, which the fi'l madari is going to be yaghsilu, and we have raka'a, which the fi'l madari is going to be yarka'u, and we have fahima, which the fi'l madari is going to be yafahamu. So the next one we have kharaja, the fi'l madari is going to be yakhruju, and we have raja'a, the fi'l madari is going to be yarju'u. Then we have rafa'a, which the fi'l madari is going to be yarfa'u. We have la'iba, which the fi'l madari is going to be yal'abu. We have sajada, the fi'l madari is going to be yasjudu. And we have nazala, fi'l madari is going to be yanzilu. Then we have fa'ala, fi'l madari is going to be yaf'alu. And hafiza, fi'l madari is going to be yahfizu. So the next one we have akala, the fi'l madari for this is going to be ya'kulu, and we have kasara, the fi'l madari is going to be yaksuru. When we have sa'ala, the fi'l madari is going to be yas'alu, and we have shariba, the fi'l madari is going to be yashrabu, and we have katala, which the fi'l madari is going to be yaqtulu, and we also have daraba, which the fi'l madari is going to be yadribu. We have fataha, which the fi'l madari is going to be yaftahu. Yarkabu, yarkabu as the fi'l madari. So this is أكمل الجمل الآتية بوضع فعل مضارع مناسبا في الفراغ. That is, complete the following sentences with the appropriate فعل مضارع, that is, with the appropriate present tense. The first one we have Abi ila suq kulla sabai. So the right verb we should introduce here is yadhabu. We say yadhabu abi ila suq kulla sabai. That is, my father goes to the market every morning. Yadhabu abi ila suq kulla sabahi. That is, my father goes to the market every morning. So this one, the next one we have mata, then dash, we have abuka min al masna. That is, so we can simply say mata yarjo abuka min al masna. That is, when does your father return from work? So the next one, so that's, we give it yarjo, that is returned. When does your father return from work? The next one we have dash and ahmadu qahawata. So we say yashrabu ahmadul qahawata. That is Hamid, that is Ahmad is drinking the coffee. And the next one we have wa yashrabu yusuful shaya, and Yusuf is drinking the tea. Yashrabu ahmadul qahawata wa yashrabu yusuful shaya. That is, Ahmad is drinking the coffee while Yusuf is drinking the tea. So the next one we have Akhi. Then we have dash, and we also have the al-sofa, and we also have as-sofa. So we say Akhi yaqra'u as-sofa. That is, my brother is reading the newspaper. Then we say وَيَسْمَعُ الْأَخْبَارَ مِنَ الْإِذَاعَةِ كُلَّ الصَّبَاحِ. That is, and also it listens to the news every morning. So we say أخي يقرأ الصحف ويسمع الأخبار من الإذاعة كل الصباح. That is, my brother always read the newspaper and also listen to the news from the radio station every morning. So the next one we have dash and al-mudarris al-subura. That is, we say yaktubul mudarrisu al-subura. That is, the teacher is writing on the board. So the next one we have dash, and we have hishamun wajahu bisabun. So we say yaghsulu hishamu wajahu bisabun. That is, Hisham is washing his face with soap. So the next one we say yakhrujul mudir min al madrasati fi sa'ati thaniya. That is, the principal leaves the school by 2 o'clock. So the next one we have Iqra ma yali, read the following. We say wahidun wa ishruna taliban. That is 21 students. Wahidun wa ishruna taliban, 21 students. Ithnan wa ishruna taliban, 22 students. Thalathatu wa ishruna taliban, 23 students. Arba'atu wa ishruna taliban, 24 students. Khamsatu wa ishruna taliban, 25 students. Sittatu wa ishruna taliban, 26 students. Sab'atu wa ishruna taliban, 27 students. Thamaniyatu wa ishruna taliban, 28 students. Tis'atu wa ishruna taliban, 29 students. Thalathuna taliban, 30 students. So the next one says Iqra ma yali, read the following. ثم اكتبه مع كتابة أرقام واردة فيه بالحروف. That is, read the following, also write them down. Also write the numbers in words. Number one, we have في الشهر 29 أو 30 يوما. That is, in a month, we have 29 days or 30 days. Then the next one we have في هذه الحافلة 25 راكبا. In this bus, we have 25 passengers. جاء اليوم 22 طالبا جديدا. Today we have 22 new students. The next one we have في هذا الكتاب 21 درسا. That is, in this lesson we have 21 lessons. Then the next one we have هذا الملعب طوله 28 متر وعرضه 24 meter. That is, this playing ground is 28 meter long. That is, the length is 28 meter long, and the breadth, that is the wideness of this field, is 24 meter length. The next one we have كم كيلومتر المسافة بين المدينة والمطار. That is, what is the distance between the Medina, the town, and the airport. That is, what is the distance between the city and the airport. So it says المسافة بينهما 23 kilometer. That is, we have 23 kilometer between them. That is, the distance between the town and the airport is 23 kilometers. 23 kilometer. That is 23 kilometer. المسافة بينهما 23 kilometer. That is 23 kilometers between, is the distance between them. The next one we have هذا الدفتر طوله 27 سنتيمتر. هذا الدفتر طوله 27 سنتيمتر. That is, this exercise book is 27 centimeter long. تعمل ما يلي. Study the following. مبكرا, that is early. متأخرا, that is late, that is something that is delayed. مبكر, that is early, you do it early. So number one we have ذهبت إلى المدرسة اليوم مبكرا. That is, I went to the school today early. ورجعت إلى البيت متأخرا, and I returned home lately. The next one we have ذهبت الليلة إلى الجامعة متأخرة. That is, Layla went to the university lately. The next one we have ذهبت الطبيبة اليوم إلى المستشفى مبكرة. That is, today the female medical doctor went to the hospital early. كون جملا مستعملا كلمات الآتية. That is, form sentences using the following words. We have دائما, we have أحيانا, we also have متأخرا, we have مرة أخرى. دائما, that is always. أحيانا, sometimes. متأخرا, that is lately. مرة أخرى, some other times. I can simply say أذهب إلى المدرسة دائما كل يوم. That is, I go to the school every day. أذهب إلى المدرسة دائما, I always go to school. Then we have أحيانا, then that is sometimes. So we can simply say أذهب إلى السوق أحيانا, I go to the market sometimes. The next one we have متأخرا. So we can say ذهب علي إلى المدرسة اليوم متأخرا. Ali went to school today mutaakhiran, that is lately. Then the next one we have marratan ukhra, that is some other times. Qaratul Qur'ana marratan ukhra. I recited Quran again. Marratan ukhra means again. So al-kalimat al-jadida, new words. We have da'iman, meaning always. Ahyanan, meaning sometime. We have marratan ukhra, meaning again. We have maktabun, that is library. Maktabu, we have table. We have amilun, meaning a worker. The plural form of amil is ummal, that is workers. We have bul, that is the length of something. And we have ardu, which means the breadth, that is the wideness of something. So the next one we have masafatu, that is distance between something, distance between two things, masafa. Then we have kilometer, which means kilometer. We have kilometerat, that is the plural form of kilometer is kilometerat, which means kilometers. Then we have centimeter, which means centimeter. We also have the plural form of this, which is centimeterat. Then the next one we have metra. Metra meaning meter. The plural form of it is amtar. Amila, which means he walked. Just as it is there in the Holy Quran, man amila amala saliha, wherever, do a good job, a good work. Then the next one we have fa'ala, also means walk. Then we have rakaba, means a ride. We have raka'a, that is, he made the prostration, ruku. Sajada, he made the sujud. This is the end of the lesson 10. Till we meet in lesson 11. Assalamu alaikum